everyone, welcome back to our channel. You're watching the series in molecular phylogenetics, and in this video we are going to continue with the character-based methods. This is the part 2 of this topic. Let's have a recap of what we did previously. We talked about one of the character-based approaches, that is maximum parsimony method, and in this video we will talk about the maximum likelihood method. Maximum likelihood, or ML, is another character-based approach which uses probabilistic models to choose a best tree that has the highest probability or likelihood of reproducing the observed data. So here we are using probabilistic models to choose the best tree. So here we'll be having highest probability or likelihood of reproducing the observed data. It finds a tree that most likely reflects the actual evolutionary process. So there were some disadvantages with the maximum parsimony method, and maximum likelihood method cover-ups for the same. ML is an exhaustive method that searches every possible tree topology and considers every position in an alignment, not just informative sites. So I just mentioned that it covers up for the disadvantages we faced when we used the maximum parsimony method. So one of the disadvantages was that the MP method does not account for all the sites. It uses only informative sites and discard the non-informative sites. But here in ML, it is using all the all the positions and all the sites, not just informative but in non-informative sites as well, and then creating the best possible tree. By employing a particular substitution model that has probability values of residue substitutions, ML calculates the total likelihood of ancestral sequences evolving to internal nodes and eventually to existing sequences. So here we are using models. We will not go into the detail of the models which are used, but you should have an idea of what actually ML method is. Because studying the models will be an advanced level of phylogenetics, we will not go into that detail. So how does the maximum likelihood method work? ML method works by calculating the probability of a given evolutionary path for a particular sequence. The probability values are determined by a substitution model, either for nucleotides or amino acids. For a particular site, the probability of a tree path is the product of the probability from the root to all the tips, including every intermediate branches in the tree topology. Because multiplication often results in very small values, it is computationally more convenient to express all probability values as natural log likelihood values, that is ln L values, which also converts multiplication into summation. Because ancestral characters at internal nodes are normally unknown, all possible scenarios of ancestral states X, Y, and Z have to be computed. So here everything is happening with the help of the model. And here, since multiplication leads to very small values, they are using natural log likelihood values as the probability values. And then they are using this data to form the different tree topologies, and then choosing the best out of them will be the final step. So here this is just an example and a schematic representation of the ML approach. So here they have given 4 taxa, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The ancestral character states at the internal nodes and root nodes are assigned X, Y and Z respectively. The example only shows some of the topologies derived from one of the sites in the original alignment. The method actually uses all sites in probability calculation for all possible trees with all combinations of possible ancestral sequences at internal nodes according to a predefined substitution model. So it's just for your understanding. There is no details into this, and I'm not going into the details as well. So it's just for you to know that this is one of the examples, and there are a number of topologies created with the help of these models, and then the best is chosen. So it's all done computationally. After computing all the possible tree paths with different combinations of ancestral sequences, the tree path having the highest likelihood score is the final topology at the site. The tree having the highest likelihood score among all other sites is chosen as the best tree, which is the ML tree. So there are certain advantages of ML. ML is based on well-founded statistics instead of a medieval philosophy where we use Occam's razor in MP. It is thus considered mathematically more rigorous than MP. ML uses the full sequence information, not just the informative sites, and therefore may be more robust. ML employs substitution models, but there are certain disadvantages of ML as well. Choosing an unrealistic substitution model may lead to an incorrect tree. Because of the exhaustive nature of ML method, when the number of taxa increases to a modest size, it becomes impossible to use. So the size is also very important. To overcome the problem, several heuristic or alternative approaches have been proposed. These alternative methods include quartet puzzling, genetic algorithms, and Bayesian inference. So these are all high level and advanced level phylogenetics and probability models, substitution models, mathematics. So we will not go into the details of this, and so we end this video here. Thank you for watching this video and staying tuned with us for this entire series of molecular phylogenetics. We are done with the character-based methods, and now we'll be moving ahead to the final step in phylogenetic analysis, that is reliability methods in checking the reliability and the robustness of the tree which we consider as the best tree. So that will be the final video of this series. I really hope that you are enjoying this and it is helpful to you in your studies or exams. And it's a kind request for you to like, subscribe, and share this channel and this video. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please write to us at the given email address. Thank you so much.